Introduction. Welcome to this instructional session. In this video, we're focusing on a compact but essential laboratory tool, the Vortex Mixer. Designed for rapid and efficient liquid mixing, this device supports countless lab applications, from reagent blending to suspension preparation. In this video, you'll learn how to unpack it, prepare it, operate it safely, and maintain it for consistent results. What we will cover. Here's what we'll walk through. What a handheld homogenizer does. Safe unpacking steps. Installation and cleaning. Operating workflow. Ideal working conditions. Troubleshooting. Disposal guidelines. Let's begin with understanding the instrument. What the HOMOGENIZER does. A handheld homogenizer is used to break down and blend biological samples quickly and efficiently. It is essential in molecular biology, microbiology, biochemistry, and sample preparation workflows. From soft tissues to tougher materials, the homogenizer creates uniform samples for downstream analysis, ensuring reproducibility and accuracy across experiments. Unpacking or initial checks. When you unbox the instrument, inspect the packaging for dents or damage. Lift the device carefully, considering its weight. Use a clean, well-lit workspace. Check the homogenizer body for visible damage. Review the manual before switching it on. Keep packaging for future transport. Report missing accessories immediately. Once inspected, you're ready for installation. Installing or preparing the HOMOGENIZER. Installing the instrument is simple. Attach the dispersing tool by screwing it clockwise onto the motor. Ensure it is firmly secured to avoid vibration or noise. Mount the instrument on the stand using the clamp and holder if required. Before first use, familiarize yourself with cleaning procedures to prevent sample contamination. Cleaning before or after use. After every operation, the dispersing tool needs immediate cleaning. For easy to remove materials, add mild detergent into a container, run the unit for 5 minutes, rinse with fresh water, and dry with a soft cloth. For tougher residues, use an appropriate solvent, but avoid long exposure to strong corrosive chemicals. For applications requiring sterile conditions, disassemble the dispersing tool and clean thoroughly. Always dry the tool before storage, as moisture may damage internal bearings. How to operate the HOMOGENIZER. This instrument provides 6 speed levels, ranging from low to very high rotation. To operate, prepare your sample in an appropriate container. Insert the homogenizer probe into the sample, ensuring it is fully immersed. Move the probe slowly and consistently within the sample to achieve uniform mixing. Avoid pulling in air bubbles, which can affect homogenization quality. After processing, switch off the unit before removing the probe. Ideal working conditions. For best results, match sample volume to the homogenizer's capacity. Pre-cut tougher tissue samples. Use suitable buffer solutions to protect sensitive components. Keep sample containers on ice when temperature sensitive. Work in a clean area to avoid contamination. Select the correct probe size. Move the probe gently and uniformly through samples. Clean the probe between samples to prevent carryover. These conditions ensure consistent and reliable processing. Troubleshooting. Inconsistent homogenization, adjust volume, probe depth, and speed. Overheating. Use short pulses, keep sample on ice. Foaming. Reduce speed and ensure proper immersion. Clogged probe. Pre-cut tissue and clean probe well. Not starting. Check power and assembly. Noise, vibration. Ensure probe is straight and tightly fixed. Cross-contamination. Clean properly or use disposable probes. Inaccurate results. Calibrate regularly and use correct probe. Disposal guidelines. For end-of-life disposal, follow local e-waste disposal regulations. Use authorized electronic recycling centers. Separate electronic and metal components before disposal. Contact suppliers for take-back or recycling programs. Proper disposal helps protect the environment. This completes the operational guide for the handheld homogenizer. With correct installation, careful cleaning, and proper technique, you can achieve efficient and consistent sample homogenization for a wide range of laboratory requirements. Thank you for watching. Dinesh Scientific, precision you can trust. For more details, contact us today.